Hey guys, this is Robert from Land Rover Naperville. Today I will be showing you some different drive modes for the 2026 Range Rover Sport. Easiest and fastest way to get to your drive modes would be your shortcuts right here. You just drop this down. You have a bunch of different drive modes. Dynamic is sport. If you like going fast, this unlocks all your horsepower. Comfort, every time you get inside the car, it's always going to have you start with comfort. But you get the best feel to drive, best ride suspension. Eco, I usually recommend for road trips, usually a longer road trip. Auto train response is whatever mode it thinks it should be in. It'll put you in that mode for you. Grass, gravel, and snow, just in case if you are going to drive in some grass, gravel, or snow. If you do plan on off-roading the car, there is sand programs, mud ruts, and wade sensing, just in case if you have to go through any water or anything like that. And it will put you in your off-roading as well. Just in case if you don't see your shortcuts on the screen, just scroll over to your left. It's always going to be on the left side as well. Another way to get to your modes, you can hit mode right here, and it will drop down right here as well. Dynamic, comfort, eco, auto train response, and then off-road modes. You basically hit that, and some of your other modes will pop up as well. If you guys have any questions, just feel free to reach out to Land Rover Naperville. We'll be happy to help you.